Hello everyone, my name is Sanshini Period. My topic name is technical topics and my subject name is the respiratory system. Respiratory system is including lungs, airways, larynx, nose and mouth, brings in oxygen and gets rid of carbon dioxide. Respiratory system is the organs and structure in our body that allow you to breathe. It including your lungs, nose, mouth, and the tube-like structures, airways, that connect them. You also have muscles and blood vessels that support your respiratory system and ribs to protect it. These parts work together to bringing oxygen into your body when you inhale and get rid of carbon dioxide when you exhale. Divers- Divertiment. Clean, Cleveland Clinic is a non-profit academic medical center. Investing on your site helps support our mission. We do not endorse non-Cleveland Clinic products or service policy. Care at Cleveland Clinics. This is the respiratory function. The main function of respiratory system is to pull in oxygen for your body's cells and get rid of carbon dioxide. A waste product, you do this by breathing in and out and through exchange between the small air sacs of your lungs. This is the alveoli and these blood vessels running nearby your respiratory system also warms and adds moisture to the air you breathe in. Your respiratory system warms to air to match your body temperature. It moistures the air to bringing it to the humidity level your body needs. Protect your body from particles you breathe in. Parts of your respiratory system can block harmful germs and irritant from getting in or push them out if they do get in. Allows you to talk, ear vibrates your vocal cords which makes sounds, help you smell, breathing in your moves it molecules past your olfactory nerves which sends message to your brain about the something smells. Balance level of acidity in our body. Too much carbon dioxide lowers your blood pH, making it acidic. By removing carbon dioxide, your respiratory system helps maintain the acidic base balance in your body. And respiratory anatomy. The main organs of your respiratory system are your lungs, but your respiratory system has many different parts that work together to help you breathe. Parts of your respiratory system including advancement, nose and nasal cavity, mouth and oral cavity, sinuses, pharynx is thorax and larynx is voice box, trachea is the windpipe, and bronchi is the large airways. Lungs, your upper respiratory tract brings air into your body and helps move it towards your lungs. It adds moisture to the airway. Breathe in your respiratory tract. Start with your nose and mouth where you pull in air into your body. The other parts of your upper respiratory tract including your nasal cavity, sinuses, hollow area in our chest, ear, forehead, larynx. What lower respiratory tract? Lower respiratory tract consists of your trachea, bronchi, lungs. Your trachea, bronchi, and bronchioles, small airways, make up your trachea, bronchioles, pronounced trachea on broken keyhole tree. A series incredibly smaller tubes transport your air from your upper respiratory tract and small air sac in your lungs. Alveoli. It looks bit like an upside down tree. Respiratory respiratory system work. Cells and need oxygen to create energy. Creating energy release carbon dioxide as a waste product which can harm your body if too much builds up. The main job of your respiratory system is to bring oxygen into your lungs and move carbon dioxide out of them. Gas exchange. It works closely with your circulatory system, your heart, blood vessels to do this. Think of the oxygen in the air as passenger on millions of planes filing into your lungs. Every time you breathe, your diaphragm pulls down, creating more space. Your chest, which pulls air, lands oxygen, carbon dioxide, lungs in air travels through the mouth and nose down in the trachea, bronchioles. Airport runs the passenger airway. Airport gates your alveoli. There, the oxygen moves through the membrane surrounding your lungs, small blood vessels, capillaries, and imaging the oxygen passenger getting packed up the taxi airport finally travels your tissues, dropping off oxygen to give your cell energy. Respiratory system gets rid of the carbon dioxide. When cells use energy, this produce carbon dioxide. When the oxygen gets out the taxi in your tissues, carbon dioxide molecules hope your from their state travel through the bloodstream and to the airport gets your lungs. They pee out of your lungs when in diaphragm include the push air and out it come. Other function is this the breathing and out. Your respiratory system also protects your body from dry air and potential harmful particles. When you are inhale, your sinus self-regulate the temperature and humidity of the air. As air moves to your nostrils and down your airways. Higher cilia, there's the output jumps and aeratum to keep the airways lungs. Aeratum jumps in the find way the respiratory system tape the mucus. Then cilia airway moves weight like motion push moves mucus vein body your cushion sinization. Condition of disorders your respiratory systems. Many conditions can affect the organs and tissues that make up the respiratory system. Irritant and germs you breathe in from the air, including viruses, bacteria, and fungi that causes infection, can cause some of these conditions. Other are the result of damage or genetic disease. Conditions that can affect your respiratory systems: allergic rhinitis, allergic reactions, pollen, pet tender, dust, other allergen can affect the airways and nasal passages. Chronic airways condition, this is including asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and cystic fibrosis. Upper and lower respiratory infection, common respiratory infection including the flu, influenza, or common colds. Inflammation infection can lead to the swelling in your large airways, bronchitis, alveoli pneumonia, sinus sinusitis, other parts of respiratory system in intestinal lungs disease, pulmonary fibrosis, and IDS cause permanent scarring of lungs, blockages, and acute sporosporic cancerous tumor, acid-base imbalance, respiratory alkalosis, and respiratory acidosis happening, exhaling the much light carbon dioxide is changing the acid-base balance in your blood. Due the oxygen of carbon dioxide in blood tissue, they make like birth condition, hypoxia, hypercapnia, and something respiratory system. Thank you.